Hey y'all, hope everybody's having a great day. I'm trying to, but I've got so much to do to be ready for tonight, being that it's Halloween. Um, I've just got so much to do, and I'm trying very, very hard not to be overwhelmed, but I'm a little bit overwhelmed. So I thought I'd make a video of showing some of the snacks and just some of the treats that I'm going to have for tonight for the kiddos. One of it is like a trail mix, but for kids. So I had a really cute name for it, but I can't think of what it is right now. So here are my ingredients. I have got peanut butter and chocolate flavored Cheerios. And of course, you gotta have the corn crisps. And then I've got some cheddar cheese crackers, which like the generic Cheez-Its. And then I've got ranch flavored crackers. I've got honey graham crackers. These are just the oyster crackers. If you don't know what that is, it's basically saltine crackers, but shaped in like an octagon shape. I have got chocolate chip morsels, milk chocolate. Got some marshmallows. I also have a little bit of semi-sweet chocolate morsels, the little tiny ones. I have some granola, and I have toasted and untoasted coconut. And last but not least, I have mini chocolate chip cookies. It's actually cereal, but you know. So we're going to mix all that up together in a bowl and then divvy it up into cute little bags. So stick around. Alrighty, here we go. Mama's got a little helper today.
That's
So,
supposed to be me.
okay. You might put the stool right there, and you're probably going to have to sit on the counter right here. Because there just ain't no room.
Okay, Baba wants it right here.
Alright, the first thing we are going to put in is the Cheerios. So, what I want you to do is get your scoop and put in some Cheerios.
You don't see them.
I've got to find the name of this trail mix stuff. I cannot remember it for nothing. Make sure you don't drop any. Over here.
One scoop. Two scoop.
And then we're going to do this. Alright, that's good for that.
Okay.
Hurry. Come on, come on, come on. We got all kinds of stuff to do still. Alright, let's cut this bag all the way open.
Okay.
Are you going to be my taste tester and try this out after I get done making it?
Yes, indeed. After it tastes delicious.
I don't think you've even had any kind of trail mix before, have you?
Not at all.
You just started eating crackers the other day. Okay, get a couple of scoops of this. Now we're doing the tiny cookies, the cereal. Do one more. Now, I don't have a recipe for, like how much of this and how much of that. Put some of this in there. You're going to have to just shake it in. You're going to have to pick it up and do like that. Not very much, though. This is ranch flavored.
That's it? That's all?
Crackers. So again, being that I don't have an exact recipe, we're just kind of eyeballing it and seeing what looks good. These are, yes ma'am, these are the tiny chocolate chips. They are semi-sweet, not the milk chocolate.
Extra one?
Yes.
I got two. Oops. There we go.
So we have the mini chocolate chip cookies. We got ranch flavored crackers, and we have got peanut butter and chocolate Cheerios. Now, let's put in
Marshmallows.
the marshmallows.
I love marshmallows for Halloween.
Don't know why I keep putting the scissors up, because I'm going to need them. I actually got a pretty good deal on these. These were 75 cents for this package. Okay, put some in there. No, hold it like this and dump it.
Okay.
Not all of it, though.
That's all?
Nope, come on. About half the bag. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. Come on. Come on. It's like I'm patting it on the booty. Alright. Alright, now then,
What's next?
let's see. Let's put some of these in here.
Okay.
Use
Scoop.
this. You can use that scoop or this scoop. Either way.
I like this scoop best.
Now we are doing the oyster
Oh, yeah.
crackers.
Tiny crackers.
Oh, more. You're going to have to learn to move quicker.
Yeah,
You're
because
too slow.
I'm sorry.
It's alright. It's the way you learn. There you go. Alright. Come on, dump it in there. That's good.
That's good.
Yep.
That's all?
Now, come on, get it done. Now use that other scoop. Probably easier to use that other scoop. This is the corn crisps. They're it's the generic of the Czech cereal. I need about 5 scoops.
That's one.
Mm-hmm.
And it's 2. 3. 4. 5.
Alright, now we're going to get some stirring going on here. Stir it up carefully. Hold the bowl. What you need to do is get down in there and do like that.
Oh.
Kind of a different stir with this stuff.
And what's next we're going to put in?
I think we're going to put in some milk chocolate morsels.
Milk chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good choice.
Mm-hmm. Alright, that's good stirring. Now, get your scoop. Come on.
Ready.
Come on. Alright, do it like this. Say, look.
Oh, now I get it.
1.
Now I'm going to say it 2. 2.
Mm-hmm.
3. This is harder I thought it'd be. 4.
Mm-hmm.
5.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Give it another stir.
Oh, yes. Stir.
Now,
Okay, this is a little silly I thought it'd be. Oops. Sorry.
got it. Alright, let me see it for a sec.
Okay, you're good.
So this is what we got so far, what it's looking like. I'm thinking about sprinkling it with powdered sugar when I get all done, the end product.
We did this.
Not yet. Put the lid back on that one for me. So now we are going to put in some Cheez-It crackers.
What's cheese or crackers?
Crackers that taste like cheese. Okay. So, I don't know if I'm going to put in the graham crackers or not, because, you know, they're big. So I'm just kind of debating on that. I don't know. And then I've got coconut to put in. And I haven't yet decided if I'm going to put in the toasted.
Like
I'm talking.
Sorry.
If I'm going to put toasted or untoasted. I texted my daughters earlier to ask them what they thought. Let's see what they say. Alright. Katie says use toasted. So we are going to do that. Here is the toasted. Alright. You gonna dump this in there?
No, you do it.
Alright.
I want to hold that.
Okay. Stir it up.
It's just like smacking it good. Yeah.
Stir it up.
Open the cookie.
Now, I also have a little mixture of granola. And I'm not sure if I want to put that in there or not. So I'm going to see what Katie says. Alright, give us a second. We'll be right back. Alrighty, so we are going to need more toasted coconut. So that's what I'm doing now. If you've never done this, it's super easy. Just get your coconut, spread it all over your pan. Now, I don't know if there's a particular temperature to put it on, like what's best or whatever. Again, I just kind of guess. That's a lot of my cooking methods. Eyeballing it or guessing. So we're going to, and as far as how long, it's been so long I can't even remember how long it takes, but just keep an eye on it, and when it's golden brown, when it's toasted, that's when it's done. Super easy. Nothing too difficult. I mean, if I can do it, anybody can.
Excuse me.
Yes.
You put milk in this or no?
Mm-mm.
Why?
I'm making a video, dear, remember? Alright, little bit more. I'll have to taste it to see the sweetness level, obviously, before I put the powdered sugar on, because with the marshmallows, the chocolate, and then the coconut here, I may not need to put the powdered sugar on. I don't know. It's just really going to depend what it tastes like. Alright, so that is that. And we're going to pop it in the oven. Probably start out with 5-minute increments and just kind of go from there. And we'll be right back. Okay, so far we have got the ranch flavored crackers. We have got the Cheez-It crackers, oyster crackers. Then we've got the miniature chocolate chip cookie cereal, the Chex cereal, the chocolate and peanut butter cereal, marshmallows coconut, the chocolate chip morsels, did I say that? The dark chocolate and the semi-sweet chocolate. Now I'm contemplating on putting, you can stir that if you want to. Now I'm contemplating on putting graham crackers in there. But that, you know, they're big, so I'm not sure. I would like for them to be in here, but I'll have to break them into small pieces, and I'm wondering if that's going to be like a huge mess or something.
I have to taste of that? You think you're going to go through a little whistle?
So, here.
Yummy.
Maybe you just break them like that. Yeah, I think I will. I love graham crackers myself.
Me too.
So, you like them by itself, or some people put peanut butter on them.
And I did, like 2 years ago. Huh?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Also, a good little snack. I had a friend of mine years ago. She was all into Weight Watchers and stuff. and there was some kind of dessert list that is not, that's low in calorie. And one of those things was you get graham crackers and the less calorie Cool Whip, whatever that is, I don't know. Is it no sugar or something? Whatever it is that's not very much calories. And you spread the Cool Whip on the graham cracker, and then you freeze it. And it's supposed to be like an ice cream sandwich. So I tried it one time, and it was so good. I still eat them every now and again. Not all the time, but I've made them a few times. My girls loved them when they were little.
And I like cookies.
I can't remember if Bubba's had one or not.
And I did have one.
Don't remember. You
I
think
had
so?
one, like 2 years ago, like... You mean about these?
Mm-hmm. Okay, can you stir?
Yeah, I think it was a long time ago. It was Halloween, and I think we can use that for s'mores.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, last year we did s'mores. Okay, be careful. So I'm just kind of breaking these up like that. We're going to do some more of that, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I've had it in the oven for 10 minutes. And I'll show you what it looks like here. I need you to stop doing that. That's about the third time I've asked you.
Sorry.
And see, right around the edges, it gets the golden brown color. And obviously we want it all to be toasted and golden brown. So we're just going to kind of stir it up a little bit. That way all of it will get toasted. I had forgotten that it does that. I probably should have started with 5-minute increments, but because I didn't preheat the oven, I gave it 10 minutes first. So, live and learn. So we're going to spread it all out again and put it back in there, probably just for maybe a couple of minutes this time, because we do not want to burn it. And the house smells so good right now. Who'd have thought toasted coconut could smell up a kitchen so pretty. Alright, we'll be back. Alrighty, I think we have got everything in here that's going to fit in this bowl anyway. Now I'm going to start packaging it up. I can't decide, however, if I want to use these little party treat bags. I only have 50, and I'm needing more than 50. I wanted to put together 75 bags, so there's only 40 of these. These, not really gonna work. I guess I could use these and then just use sandwich baggies for the rest. So I think I'm going to do that, and then I'll save these for something else another time maybe. So I'm going to get those filled up, these bags here filled up, and see what it looks like. So before I get out of here, I've got the mini semi-sweet chocolate chips, I've got granola, I've got ranch flavored crackers, I've got the corn Chex cereal, I've got graham crackers, Cheez-Its, peanut butter chocolate flavored Cheerios, toasted coconut, marshmallows, oyster crackers, miniature chocolate chip cookies, and then milk chocolate morsels, and sunflower seeds. Did I say sunflower seeds? So that's what I got in here. That is the kitty mix. Alright, let me get this bagged up and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, boys and girls, this is what we got. That is 20 bags, 20 bags, and then 20 bags. So we got 60 bags all together. I actually ended up having to make 4.5 batches of the kitty mix in that big old bowl that I had. And that made the 60 bags. And they are a cup each in each bag. Like a measuring cup, 1 cup. And one thing down, many more to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like. Think about subscribing, and we'll see you later.